Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert your .mov files to MP4 files using VLC Media Player. So as you can see here, I have this sample.mov file, and you can see the type also is MOV file. So I want to convert this .mov file into the MP4 file. How can I convert this using VLC Media Player? Let's see. So just open your VLC Media Player and then just click on media here and then click on convert save option, and here you can choose the location where your MOV file is located. So just click on this add button and then just choose the MOV file. You can see I'm just selecting sample.mov file and then click on OK and then click on convert save button. Here you can see your source, which is sample.mov. And in the settings, you will be able to see this scroll down window here. And here you can choose the format in which you want to convert your video to. So just search for MP4 files here. So you will be able to search here MP4 option, which is video for MPEG4. And you can choose the best option for you. Let's say we are going to just choose 1080p here for TV or devices. Just choose this option. And then here in the destination section, you can browse for the destination where you want to save your MP4 files. So I'm going to just click on the browse button here. And let's say I want to save my file on the same location where my sample.mov file is there. So just give any name to your output file, sample or whatever, and then just give the extension .mp4 here. So I'm going to just give the extension .mp4 after this. Okay, so sample.mp4 and then click on save. So this is the source which you want to convert, and this will be the destination which will be the mp4 file, right? So just click on the start button, and once you click on the start button, you will see that this file is created, which is sample.mp4, but you need to wait for some time until this progress bar reaches to the 100% mark or to the full length of the video. Okay, so this is the progress of the conversion. So you just need to wait for this scroll bar to reach to the end, and then only your full video will be converted to the MP4 file. So I will wait for this conversion to be completed. So now the process of conversion is finished, and you can see this MP4 file is created, which is around 1/4 of the original file of the MOV file, right? So this is how you can convert your MOV files to MP4 files using VLC Media Player. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.